Animal eyes aren't just for seeing, they're tools for survival. Take the goat. Its eyes have rectangular pupils, giving it nearly a 320-degree view of the world. This lets goats spot predators without even moving their heads. Now look at the cat. Those vertical slit pupils can open wide at night, allowing cats to see in light 6 times dimmer than humans. Then there's the eagle. An eagle's eyes are so powerful, it can spot prey from over 2 miles away, seeing details humans could never notice. And finally, the octopus. Its eyes are completely different from ours, with rectangular pupils and the ability to detect polarized light, helping it vanish into its surroundings. Every eye tells a story. In nature, vision isn't just sight, it's survival.